Hi, good day. M6210. Please introduce yourself.
Good day to all employer in Hong Kong. I'm Susana Sisulibas, 45 years old. I'm happily married. I have less with one son. We're 10 siblings in the family, 6 girls and 2 boys. I am the fourth in the family. Uh,
Your
I,
religion.
I'm Catholic, sir.
Highest educational attainment.
I undergraduate taking a computer secretarial course, sir,
Okay, for how many years?
for 2 years, sir.
2 years. Okay, tell me about your experiences as a helper.
I have experience, sir, in Saudi Damam for 7 years, 2014 to 2021. I served 5 members of the family, including my mother and sir, 3 children, 2 boys and 1 girl, ages 14, 10, and 5 years old. I,
Okay. Your second employer?
my second employer is from Hong Kong for 4 months. I served 5 members of the family.
Okay.
Uh,
And you are the one who do the household chores.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Why suddenly terminated the contract?
Because my madam, the grandma is dead.
So, which is the 85 years old? You are the one who took care of.
Yes, sir. I
Her.
took care the grandma and the small children, sir.
Okay, which is the 6 years old.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and your third employer.
My third employer is in Qatar, sir. I worked for 1 year and 9 months. I early release because my sir work in other country, go back in Sweden, sir.
Okay, your employer go back to Sweden, so you are early
Yes,
released.
sir. Yes,
Okay, so you have a lot of experience being a helper, right? You taking care also children,
yes, sir. Yes,
but you don't have any experience taking care of a baby, right?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But it is okay to you to take care of a baby.
Yes, yes, I'm willing to learn, sir.
You know how to prepare a milk for a baby.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
Uh, I will see if the baby is sick, sir. And I will, if the baby, I will birth the baby, make with birth the baby, and I will check if the baby is sick, and I will call the attention of my employer, sir.
Okay, that's the right thing you should do. Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong again?
Because the Hong Kong is high standard and also high salary. I like to support for the family of my for the support of the family of my family and the study of my son. And also Hong Kong is the justice is fair between the employer and the maid, sir.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer wants me to work, I'm willing to work with them, sir.
Okay, so it is okay to be extended, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, for sure you have an idea how to prepare Chinese food because you are ex-Hong Kong, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, what kind of Chinese food can you prepare?
When I work in Hong Kong before, most is steamed fish because my employer is vegetarian like that.
So you are the one who steam fish, right?
Yeah, steamed fish and most vegetable like that, boiled egg because my sir is a retired police.
Okay, so if your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, I'm willing to learn, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs as a helper.
Yes, if it's the helper is okay, yes, it's okay also for me, sir.
It is okay to you to share room with kids.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How about to work on Sunday and how do you set up?
Yes, it's okay, sir, with me.
Taking care of pets,
Yes, sir. I think
elderly.
Yes, sir.
How about learning their language if your employer doesn't know how to speak English?
Yes, I'm willing to learn, sir.
Okay, my last question is what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, please do hire me as your nanny and helper. I will do promise that I am hard worker, diligent, trustworthy, fast learner, learning to learn, and flexible. I will treat your children as my own children. I will treat your family as my own family. I will do my best to tackle my duties and responsibilities. Good day and God bless, sir.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss
Thank you,
Susana.
sir. Thank you very much.
Okay.